Hello, driving intelligence community. It's been a while since I've done an update on the 1999 Cadillac Deville. A few months ago, this car was in an accident, damaged the front end, pushed the bumper to the side, actually broke the bumper. I'm trying to straighten this metal up myself. Now, I've never had any training in body work. This is just something I'm doing on the side to see if I can accomplish it, which is what I do with most of the projects. Here you'll see that I've attempted two methods to try to straighten this metal up, which is it's not working out too well yet. So I haven't given up on it, but as I've said, I've pushed it off to the side to work on some other projects. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. This helps me with the YouTube algorithms. It pushes my videos out to more people, helps me build my channel, and I'd love it if you give me some comments below. Maybe you've got some experience with body damage. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching. Before I show what I did, I do want to point out a couple precautions I took. I wanted to make sure that that airbag didn't deploy when I was yanking it, so I disconnected the battery and let it sit for a couple hours. I think 30 minutes is what they say. You should do your own investigation. I'm not endorsing that anybody else do what I'm doing, but I did not want the airbag going off while I had a friend of mine helping me out. So I did make sure it was deactivated, and I also placed the transmission in neutral to make sure that I did not damage the transmission when I was yanking it. So I had the helper keeping his foot on the brakes firmly, and of course I didn't really pull it that hard. I might try pulling it a bit harder again next time, but this was just a test. So let me show you what happened.
Hold on. All right.
So obviously yanking this car with my truck didn't work. Couldn't move it at all. It was actually just pulling the whole vehicle sideways. So what did I do? I used a sledgehammer. Been pounding the hell out of this. I had a problem with the fan actually being pushed into the engine. The sledgehammer has actually released that, so that's some progress. I don't know if this is a good way to do it, but I'm going to try.